Hello students, my name is Borendranath Mahanto, Senior Faculty of Mechanical Department, Moirvan School of Engineering, Baripada. Today we will discuss about a interesting topic of engineering mechanics, that is called application of friction. There are three types of application in friction. These are: one, ladder friction; second one is wedge friction; and third one is screw friction. Now we will study about the ladder friction. This one the ladder front view and this one the side view, a single line. The ladder is lean against a vertical wall and other end is rest on the floor. This one side view of the ladder, A end on the floor and B end on the wall. Both surfaces are rough surface, wall and floor both are rough surface. This one is floor, this one wall. Weight of the ladder act on the center of gravity of the ladder, which act vertically downward. Weight of ladder. A man is riding on the ladder at which the slip first start. That weight of man is called weight of man at the point C. This one the center of gravity of the ladder, where total weight of the ladder acts. And this one the total length of the ladder, capital L, and this one AG, this one length is L by 2. And at a height from the point A of C is called X. This length is called X. Then we will go to the forces acting on the ladder. Next we go to the point where the total forces acting on the ladder at point A and the point B. या परे आमे एदी फोर्स विषय रे ए पॉइंट आ बी फोर्स रे कोन फोर्स एक्ट करूची या परे नेक्स्ट आमे करिवा ना टोटल फोर्स फोर फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन द पॉइंट ए एंड बी. दिस वन दैट ladder, when the ladder will slip, then A moves left horizontally backward side and the point B slide downwards. Motion. These are the motions. Motion of end A and this one the motion of end B. So, as the definition of friction, frictional force always act opposite to the motion of a body. This was called frictional force of flow, FF. And this one upward, vertically upward, is the force is called FW, frictional force of wall. Other two forces also act, one at A and other at B. That is called the normal reaction. The normal reaction, by definition, it states that the reaction given by the floor to the ladder at point A is called RF. Normal reaction of floor at point A. And the other normal reaction of wall to the ladder B is called RW. There are two coefficients of friction. One is mu W mu w, and at floor is called mu f. First equation of friction, F is equal to mu Rn. This was the first equation of friction. So frictional force at point floor at A, FF is equal to mu F Rf, and Fw is equal to mu W into Rw. At the point of just begin slipping of the ladder, at the beginning, just 1 second before of slipping the ladder is in equilibrium or in balance condition. Balance 1 second before the ladder is in the equilibrium position or balance position, 1 second before of slipping. So you put the condition of balance or equilibrium. One is summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. Second equation is summation of vertical forces 0. Third one is summation of moments about a center is equal to 0. These are the algebraic equation. We can say simply rightward force is equal to left side force, upward force is equal to downward force, and moments, anti-clockwise moments is equal to clockwise moments. ହଉ ଆଜି ଏତିକି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆମେ ୟାର ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କରିବା। Starting from the first equation, summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0 means rightward force is equal to left side force. Rightward force is FF is equal to left side force is equal to RW. Equation number 1. Second, upward forces. Second, vertical forces, upward force is equal to downward force. Upward forces are R, F, and Fw. Downward force is Wn plus Wm. This was ladder weight, this was main weight. This was the second equation.